We are living in a time where artificial intelligence is everywhere, writing our emails, generating our art, even helping run entire companies. The narrative you constantly hear is that AI is a magical tool, a technological savior, here to make life easier, but that's only half the story. There is a side of AI hidden beneath the headlines, buried under all the hype that no one really wants to talk about. Today, we are pulling that into the light. Before we dive into the dark side of AI, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Jamal Khan. I'm an entrepreneur, a deal maker, tax advisor, and a financial strategist. I created the Elite Hub app, a unique platform for exclusive networking and high-value deals. Elite Hub is gaining thousands of new members every week. You can download it now. The link is in the description. The first dark truth is subtle. AI is quietly making us more dependent than we realize. When calculators became popular, people stopped memorizing multiplication tables. Now, imagine that, but for every mental skill, writing, planning, and even thinking. Every time you let AI write your email, generate your presentation, or decide what you should watch, you are outsourcing micro decisions. You might think that's efficient, but over time, your ability to think critically, to create from scratch, to innovate without a machine shrinks. The most dangerous part, you won't notice it happening. You'll still feel smart because AI will constantly make you look smarter than you are. Second, AI is built on your life even when you never said yes. Most AI models are trained on massive datasets scrapped from the internet. Your social media posts, your online photos, your blogs, maybe even your private forums. You didn't sign a consent form, nobody asked. What you see as a helpful chatbot is actually the result of millions of people's intellectual property, personal data, and creative work taken, anonymized, and fed into a system that now sells itself back to you. And if you think your information isn't in there, ask yourself, have you ever uploaded a picture, written a tweet, or posted a comment online? Chances are, pieces of you are already inside these machines. The third hidden truth is about power. When AI becomes capable enough to run businesses, analyze markets, and even write laws, which some governments are already testing, who actually controls that intelligence? It's not you, it's not me, it's a handful of corporations, companies with profit motives, shareholders, and almost no public oversight. We've basically handed them the keys to a technology that can decide what news you see, what ads you click, even what opinions trend online. That's not innovation. That's centralized control at a scale we've never seen before. And it's happening quietly, while we are too busy playing with chatbots that make us funny poems. You've heard the headline, AI will take jobs, but here's the darker version. It's not just that jobs will vanish. The jobs that will remain will change into something most people don't want. For example, customer service. AI can now handle 90% of basic queries. What's left for humans? Now, what's left for humans? The angry, complex, emotionally draining cases that machines can't handle? You're not losing your job, you're inheriting the worst part of it. The same applies to creative fields. AI can spit out 100 logo concepts in seconds. Human designers might still be needed, but only to clean up or approve machine work, not to imagine something new. It's not human versus machines, it's humans becoming the maintenance workers for machines. Here's something few people talk about, the mental role. AI doesn't just automate tasks, it automates validation. Imagine this, you post a picture, AI filters it to make you look perfect. AI boosts it in feeds, AI comments, fake likes. AI tells you you're amazing. It feels good, but is it real? We are entering a world where it's hard to tell if an audience is human, if your feedback is genuine, or if you're just performing for an algorithm's approval. Over time, you're not just training AI is training you, teaching you what to say, what to like, and even what to believe. Now, the most obvious but under-discussed danger: AI isn't just a tool, it's a weapon, and it's already being used that way. Deepfakes can destroy reputations overnight. AI-written propaganda can flood social media faster than checkers can react. Automated cyber attacks can crash economies or disrupt entire countries. And the barrier to entry is dropping. You no longer need a military budget to cause global chaos. You just need a laptop, some code, and an AI model. Here's the part that's uncomfortable to admit. We are not driving revolution. We are passengers. AI isn't slowing down. The companies building it are racing each other to make it smarter, faster, more autonomous, without fully understanding where that road ends. Will it replace all jobs? Will it reshape politics? Will it decide what the truth is? We don't know, and yet every day we give it more control over our data, over our decisions, and even our creativity. Closing, pulling the audience in. So here's the truth. Artificial intelligence isn't just about smart assistants and cool tools. It's about power, control, and trade-offs we're all silently making. The question isn't, will AI change the world? It already has. The real question is, will we wake up in time to make sure it changes the world for us, not just for the people who own it? Because if we don't, the dark side of AI won't just be a topic for videos like this. It will be the reality we all live in. If you're serious about staying ahead in this fast-changing world, download Elite Hub now and join a community that's all about growing knowledge and sharing ideas. I'll see you in next video with another topic to broaden your mind. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Sign you off, Jamal Khan.